Well, what we're going to find out now is how these types of videos that are given a prompt as a text, how we can design them, how we can make them, and all. For example, right now, there's a very simple sample for you. Of course, there is some spelling problem. And this is the other example to see how it works, how it's different. Well, the main way these work is actually the fact that we use different layers of AI. You've all worked with ChatGPT. The first thing it does, right? Let me bring it back. Yes. So, as you see, ChatGPT. I hope you all have worked with ChatGPT. You know that it uses different layers of AI, one of which, like ChatGPT, understands what a human being says. In ChatGPT, you can easily write a prompt in pricing of some lines to make the computer understand what you want. And this is the first layer of an AI. After that, other AIs, we've got other AIs I think you are familiar with that can generate a picture. Like this AI called Midjourney. We've got some AIs that generate pictures. What they do is they receive a prompt, and based on that, they will generate the picture. For example, let's see the prompt of this picture. Something like that, right? A golden retriever wearing a sweatband and blah. So it uses the prompt and generate the picture. The next level is creating and generating videos. How does it work? First of all, it analyzes the text, and then based on that text, it generates some pictures, and then the final step is somehow, it actually, like how videos work, there are like a lot of frames, and together your brain actually thinks that they are all together, and you will see it as a video. Actually, this is what a video is. A video consists of a lot of pictures, 24 something pictures per second. So it does the same thing. It uses some AI to generate the pictures and then connects the pictures and uses the correct frame, the right frame, for us to be able to play it as a video in our mind is generated. That is an initial, general, if you will, explanation on generating videos by AIs. In this course, our main focus is on Sora, but we're also going to go over some other AIs like Runway. These actually AIs exist as well that do the same thing, and we're going to talk about them as well. Not that comprehensively, but a bit. Let's see an example in this AI. These are examples from Runway that is also able to transform a text into a video. But in this course, we're going to focus on Sora, how to write prompts, and what the abilities are, and such things. I hope you have liked it. Wait for us on the next episode.